So yes, we all are suffering from this problem, how to remember a linear formula, tough formula which looks very long. For example, in flight mechanics, when you enter into the stability part, then static stability, when you enter there, longitudinal static stability, how will you remember the long formulas in longitudinal static stability? In same way, when you come to structure, you have certain chapters where you have very lengthy formulas. For example, uh, if I ask you all displacement equations, all stress strain relation examples, I mean formulas, how will you recall? So how can you recall all the formulas again and again and again and again and again and again? You have to write down, you have to write down, you have to write down. Two types of memories are there. I don't know how many types of memories are there. Two types of memories you have to build for gate point of view. First thing, whenever you want, you can write down the formula. And next thing, whenever you want, you can speak the formula, you can say the formula. So uh, today, I am about to take part in one music this thing concert. So in that concert, I am singing one shlok, and in that shlok, I was not remembering the shlok. So I started memorizing from today. After 10 days, the shlok I should be very comfortable with the shlok because I cannot see and sing. So what will you do? Same thing. Either you speak the formula and record in your phone and listen again and again, again and again. Next thing you can do, take screenshot and put that formula on your wallpaper. Next thing you can do, you sit and write, write one time, two times, three times. You will do mistake. Write down, write down, write down. Believe me, any formula you can remember within half an hour. And if in case of structure, when you will be in elasticity chapter, lot of formulas, for example, stress strain relationship, if you have to remember, constitutional formulas if you have to remember, so equations you have to remember, then it like there are a lot. So you have to write down, you have to write down, read, write down, read, write down. You should be good in two things: writing the formulas and speaking the formulas, saying the formulas. Okay, if they both are, so you have to work in this direction. Every student will remember the formula and they will forget the formula. So what I used to do in my time, how I used to prepare for gate exam. Students who are watching me for the very first time on my channel, my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastava. I have qualified gate aerospace exam 7 times. I am an IITian, and I am taking classes for gate aerospace. I am teaching gate aerospace subjects, all the subjects including English, maths, core, and core means aerospace subjects, rockets, everything. uh, 2014 was my first batch. 14, 15, 16, all the toppers, you can go into the interview playlist, you can find there my results, and you can also visit my website concept library. So, and if you're looking for preparation, you can contact me for gate preparation. My WhatsApp number is 6380135260. Contact me on WhatsApp, just text me that you want to prepare for gate exam and I'll give you details. You can just join me. So what I used to do, I used to remember one formula. I used to remember all the standard cases of SFD, BMD with their diagrams. I'm not saying this is the right approach to prepare for gate exam. I'm saying how can you remember anything. So if your concept is very clear and at the same time you are remembering a lot of results also, so automatically your speed will be increased as compared to other students in gate exam. So I used to remember all 32 cases of SFD, BMD. Standard formulas in fixed beam, I used to remember 10 special cases like two loads, single load, and then and I used to remember their formulas. Means I was good at concept also, and I was having lot of results also that time in my memory. Okay, so how will you write down, how will you remember? Suppose you have to remember any formula, so first you try to recall that formula, and if you are not able to recall all the formula, then at least you think in that formula how many parts are there. So one quantity will be left side, and in the right side, do you have division in the formula? So two parts will be there in the division. So what is there in the upper part, what is there in the bottom part, I mean numerator, denominator. In the denominator you have two sections with minus sign. So like slowly you try to recall, and then you again see the right formula, then again you write down, again you write down again. And once you are all right with the formula, then never forget that formula till your gate exam. how will you not forget? Again you have to come next day, sit in the same library, same table, again write down the formula. So you purchase some rough sheet, and on that rough sheet you write down leave, write down leave, write down leave. Okay, and you make one schedule that from which formula you are going to start. Okay, so you make one flashcard types, like playing card type, some this thing, and random formulas you write. Because if you are every day, if you are turning your page, so on that page your brain will be trained to recall formulas step by step. No, this habit is not good. Formula book is there, that is fine, but flashcards should be there, and those flashcards you have to shuffle. Like one flashcard you take, okay, and on one side of the flashcard only question should be written, and other side answer should be written. Okay, so random flashcard you take. This you can play also with your friends, like take one flashcard, give to your friend, tell the answer, something like that. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful.